The last of the 5 exercises we call AH, Reverence. So the A gesture in eurythmy is that you open your arms and you reach out far in the surroundings. You pull your hands a little bit, your shoulders a little bit back to create an in-streaming quality. And this quality stays when you do the H. You just lift your shoulders, let your feelings and your arms rise. You feel this greatness around you, and when you let your arms sink, you stay as big as you've just felt. Let your breath react. If you repeat it a second time, reach out far into the surroundings. Pull a little bit back enter the receptive mode. Use your collarbones and shoulder blades for the let go towards what's above you. Receive the answer, let go, but stay as big as you've just felt. We do the second time. A, R, ha. Start at your heart. Send your arms out to the periphery and then further than the periphery. And let it stream in from there. Use your shoulders to send an H into this R, to widen it up, to really open. And then receive the answer and let slowly go. And remember the A, which is still there, the gesture is still there. You are still connected. And then remember the stream of love, still working in you from the Love A exercise, bringing you forward again. Reverence. I am there. And let go. A, R, ha, H. Love, reverence. Let your breath react. Feel how you stand now. Feel what's surrounding you. Feel what's in you. Sit down and relax. The general feeling is, do I feel? Question is, what do I feel in my body? Where do I feel warmth, cold, tension, or widening? Which part is dominating? Does my head feel big or small? Do I more feel my chest or more my stomach? Do I feel pain or do I feel well in general? Things like that, simple things. It's just about the attitude that you look into yourself and the body can feel, perceive.